Hello everyone, today is a beautiful day. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for previewing and watching my channel. Today we're going to do a little recap of what happened last week on GBPAUD and what we're expecting for this coming week. Now we're going to do the recap, and for you to understand the recap, if you haven't watched my last video, you can go back after you watch this and try to understand it very well, because I'm going to go so briefly on the recap. Now this is a weekly chart. Let me clear this. This is a weekly chart, and this is the last week. This last week we just finished. Now let's do a recap of what happened and why I said we're going to go up from my last week video. Now on Monday we have a doji candle, and Tuesday we have a consolidation Tuesday to Thursday. On Friday then we have a pull up here. So why do we have this strong pull up here? You might be asking why. Now let me tell you the reason why we have this pull up. When we go on a monthly basis, you will understand the reason of this pull up. The reason of this pull up is from this rejection block, from this bullish order block. Let me mark it out so you can understand actually properly why we have this pull up. See, now if you go on the 4 hours, now you will see, can you see, you have this strong pull up to the upside down, which is what I really predict last week. We were expecting the price to do, but thank God now the price just give us the confirmation. That's why this happened. Now let's go to this week. What are we expecting this week? This week we are expecting price to keep going up, because one, we have a resistance here, and price is at a resistance point at this major high right now. So what I used to do is, like, after this week I will mark the last week candle, then mark out the 50% of the last week candle. This is the 50% of the last week candle. I mark the 50% of the last week candle, then I step down to daily. Now this is a top-down analysis. We start from the weekly, then we go back to the daily. Now on my daily candle, what do we see on my daily chart? We see resistance, and price have break this point of resistance. Let me mark this point of resistance out. Let's do the week. Okay, I think I'm having network issue. My network is lagging. So this is the week, because there's like weakness, and price break it up. So what we are looking for is an uptrend. Now on the 4 hours, let's talk about the entry. Now on the norms, we should be expecting price to come back here, then go up. But for me, this coming Monday, I expect price to keep going up, for the continuation of the price to come to this void here, this void that we have here, and then we see a little bit of retracement. Any retracement we see on Tuesday or Wednesday will form the low of the week. So we might see price continue to go up here, then come here, then come down to this level, and we see a pull up. And remember, this is the last week of the month. This is the last week. The coming week is the last week of this January that we want to, of this January. So we have to be careful, and we have to know that price might keep going up, but any swing high or swing low that we see, that will be the low of the week. Maybe it can form on Tuesday, it can form on Wednesday. Looking at it, it's going to form on Wednesday. So but anytime it form, any low of the week that we see, any retracement that we see should be the low of the week, because now we are in uptrend. Price have shifted to uptrend according to what we predicted last week. Now for entry, is it that price come here or continue to the uptrend? But for my own prediction or analysis, price is continuing to the uptrend. Price will continue this on Monday to Tuesday, then Wednesday we might see a little bit of retracement, and Thursday, Friday might be continuation of it. So for exit, we should look for this point for our take profits within Monday, Tuesday, and you should see what the price is going to do on Wednesday. Then Thursday, Friday, we might see continuation to the uptrend. But now price have shifted to the uptrend. We are looking for uptrend, and we are anticipating for price to break this high, swing high, this equal highs here and equal highs here. And thank you. I really appreciate everybody for checking this channel, seeing the content, and I really appreciate you all. And if you are really getting one or two things from this channel, I would like you very please press the like button, so as a form of encouragement, or if you want me to change something or explain something in details, you can put it in the comment section, then I will respond to it. Thank you very much. Then we can discuss. If you want us to discuss more on each analysis or prediction for a week, we can do that. Then we explain in details, then we come together as one, then we explain in details. But now this is the prediction for next week, and thank you and God bless. Enjoy the coming week with love, with grace, and with joy. Thank you very much. Woof.